Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out list of all USB devices that are currently and previously connected with Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google search for one application name as USB debut, and the first list will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here download options. So the first one is for the 32-bit Windows operating system, and the second one is for the 64-bit Windows operating system. So download it depending upon which Windows version operating system you're using. So download it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see the application USB debut. Just double click on it. Now you will see here the list of all USB devices that are currently connected as well as those which were previously connected. So you can see here some are mentioned with the green color indication. So you can see here, so these are right now presently connected. So you can see below also, and those with the gray circle icons are previously connected. So by using this application named as USB debut, you can easily find out list of all USB devices that are currently and previously connected with Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.